so bad. I didn't have to stay at the hospital, but we had other nurses that had to be in our hospital as our patients, and they're like a nurse there. So, you know, it's kind of like seeing your family member. Too.
Where the nurses must have been shook.
Yeah, absolutely.
Everybody
And
was
she
shook.
lost like she only has like one family member left. Everybody else died from COVID,
Wow.
and she survived.